In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alias in Tableau. Aliasing is a powerful feature that allows you to rename data categories in a more user-friendly and meaningful way without altering the underlying data. This comes in handy when you have categories with technical names or when you want to simplify your visualizations for better insights. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. Once there, navigate to the Tableau website. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to sign up to access Tableau's functionalities. After logging in, locate your existing workbook. This is where we'll make the changes we need. Simply click on it to open up your data visualization workspace. Once your workbook is open, turn your attention to the data pane on the left side. This pane contains all the data fields you're working with. Here, you're looking for the discrete dimension you want to apply an alias to. These are typically categorical fields such as names, types, or categories. Hover over the column headers to identify the right dimension if you're unsure which one is discrete. After pinpointing the correct dimension, right-click on it, and a context menu will appear. This is where you'll find the Aliases option. Click on it to bring up the Edit Aliases dialog. This window is your central hub for modifying how data is displayed without changing the source data itself. To make the alias changes, right-click on any measure in the view that corresponds to the dimension you're working on. This could be either in the columns or rows shelf, depending on how your data is organized. Doing this highlights the connection between the measures and dimensions, making it easier for you to see the impact of the changes you make. Inside the Edit Aliases dialog box, you'll see a list of the dimensions members on one side and an empty value alias column on the other. Here is where the magic happens. For any member you'd like to rename, click on its current name and type in your desired alias in the value alias column. Take your time to ensure the aliases clearly represent the data for anyone who might be looking at the visualization. Once satisfied with your changes, it's time to save them. You'll do this by clicking OK at the bottom of the dialog box. Doing so will apply these aliases immediately across your workbook. This change ensures that during presentations or analyses, data is easily interpretable. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully learned how to use aliases in Tableau, enhancing both the readability and impact of your data insights. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to explore more of Tableau's features to make your data work for you.